Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how can you find your Snapchat capture photo. And guys, if you take a photo on Snapchat but if you didn't find on your gallery, so where you can find this photo where it's saved on Snapchat. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that. So firstly, open your Snapchat application, and then if you take any photo from Snapchat, just take this photo. And now you don't know where it's saved, just you don't know where it's saved. So you can back, and now tap on the tap on this button beside capture button. There you can see a option, just tap it. Then you can find this photo I recently capture on Snapchat. So guys, you can find your capture photo is here. So guys, I hope you can understand. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.